I would play with blocks.
I would play with blocks.
I would clean my desk.
I would clean my desk.
I would save electricity.
I would save electricity.
I would wake up on time.
I would wake up on time.
I would tie my shoes.
I would tie my shoes.
I would respect everyone.
I would respect everyone.
I would color neatly.
I would color neatly.
I would stay calm in class.
I would stay calm in class.
I would answer politely.
I would answer politely.
I would be friendly.
I would be friendly.
I would laugh more.
I would laugh more.
I would clean the table.
I would clean the table.
I would save water.
I would save water.
I would eat vegetables.
I would eat vegetables.
I would play safely.
I would play safely.
I would write slowly.
I would write slowly.
I would stay healthy.
I would stay healthy.
I would tell the truth.
I would tell the truth.
I would pack my bag.
I would pack my bag.
I would learn to cook.
I would learn to cook.
I would take care of my toys.
I would take care of my toys.
I would drink more water.
I would drink more water.
I would stay calm.
I would stay calm.
I would draw a house.
I would draw a house.
I would wear clean clothes.
I would wear clean clothes.
I would drink milk.
I would drink milk.
I would solve the puzzle.
I would solve the puzzle.
I would practice reading.
I would practice reading.
I would jump high.
I would jump high.
I would learn to swim.
I would learn to swim.
I would help my dad.
I would help my dad.
I would smile more.
I would smile more.
I would sing a song.
I would sing a song.
I would dance happily.
I would dance happily.
I would plant a tree.
I would plant a tree.
I would save my money.
I would save my money.
I would try new food.
I would try new food.
I would draw animals.
I would draw animals.
I would stay hydrated.
I would stay hydrated.
I would follow the rules.
I would follow the rules.
I would be kind to others.
I would be kind to others.
I would help at home.
I would help at home.
I would respect my teacher.
I would respect my teacher.
I would help my sister.
I would help my sister.
I would play with my brother.
I would play with my brother.
I would draw a rainbow.
I would draw a rainbow.
I would pet a dog.
I would pet a dog.
I would go to school.
I would go to school.
I would try my best.
I would try my best.
I would keep my promise.
I would keep my promise.
I would take a nap.
I would take a nap.
I would learn new things.
I would learn new things.
I would brush my teeth.
I would brush my teeth.
I would eat healthy food.
I would eat healthy food.
I would draw a painting.
I would draw a painting.
I would wash my hands.
I would wash my hands.
I would help my mom.
I would help my mom.
I would finish my homework.
I would finish my homework.
I would listen carefully.
I would listen carefully.
I would speak politely.
I would speak politely.
I would drink water.
I would drink water.
I would help my friend.
I would help my friend.
I would read a book.
I would read a book.
I would play outside.
I would play outside.
I would share my toys.
I would share my toys.
I would clean my room.
I would clean my room.
I would draw a picture.
I would draw a picture.
I would feed the cat.
I would feed the cat.
I would eat an apple.
I would eat an apple.
I would ride a bike.
I would ride a bike.
I would say thank you.
I would say thank you.
I would water the plants.
I would water the plants.
I would be brave.
I would be brave.
I would try again.
I would try again.
I would finish the race.
I would finish the race.
I would help in the garden.
I would help in the garden.
I would clean my hands.
I would clean my hands.
I would recycle waste.
I would recycle waste.